Which light bulb security camera is actually good for outdoors? Simple question, but you have to dig a little to get the real answer. A lot of these look the same, promise the same things, but once you install them, that's when you find out what actually holds up. Today, we're cutting through the noise. Product number 1, iGeek Floodlight Camera. First up, the iGeek Floodlight Camera. This thing isn't just a camera, it's a full outdoor security setup in one. At around $100, it sits right in the mid to high range, and what caught my eye was the 5MP resolution combined with a 2600 lumen floodlight. If you want serious visibility and surveillance without running extra wires for lighting, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5MP resolution means you can zoom in and still make out a face from 30 feet away, something lower resolution cams struggle with. The dual-band Wi-Fi 2, 4 GHz and 5 GHz helps avoid dropouts, especially important if your outdoor signal is weak. The motion sensor uses Peer Tech, so it's less likely to go off from wind or small animals, and you can customize detection zones in the app. Plus, the 2600 lumen light is bright enough to light up a driveway or backyard, and you can dim it or set schedules. With color night vision and 24/7 recording to a microSD card, you're covered day and night. Now, some people complained about the setup being tricky if you don't have an existing junction box. This isn't a screw-in-and-go bulb, it needs hardwiring. Here's the thing though, if you're already installing outdoor lighting, this isn't a big deal. But if you're looking for something you can just screw into a porch socket, this might frustrate you. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful, all-in-one outdoor security light and camera and don't mind a little wiring. Skip this one if you need a truly wireless, no-tools install. For the price, you're getting a lot of value, especially with the free 7-day cloud storage. Product number 2, Ankoifu Blink Mount. Now, if the iGeek's hardwiring turned you off, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Ankoifu adjustable lamp socket mount is only $20, and it's not a camera, it's a mount for your existing Blink cameras. What makes it clever is that it lets you screw your Blink Outdoor or Mini into a standard light socket, giving it continuous power and a better angle. Here's why this matters for you specifically. No more climbing ladders to change batteries every few months. By using your porch or garage light socket, your Blink camera stays powered 24/7. The 360 degrees swivel and 270 degrees tilt mean you can aim it exactly where you need, like pointing it at a gate or side yard that your doorbell cam misses. It's made of metal and plastic, feels sturdy, and installs in minutes with no tools. Now some people complain that it only works with specific Blink models. If you don't already own a compatible camera, this is useless. Here's the thing though, if you're already in the Blink ecosystem, this is a game changer for placement and power. But if you're starting from scratch, you'll need to buy the camera separately, which adds cost. This is perfect for you if you already have a Blink camera and want to mount it somewhere without power outlets. Skip this one if you don't own a Blink or prefer an all-in-one solution. At $20, it's a smart add-on, not a standalone buy. Product number 3, FOSCAM 3K Light Bulb Camera. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for plug-and-play simplicity. The FOSCAM 3K light bulb camera is a true screw-in camera. Just twist it into any E26, E27 socket and you're done. At $38, it's one of the most affordable full-featured options, and it includes auto tracking, which is rare at this price. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 3K resolution gives you sharp detail, and the AI-powered auto tracking follows movement across your yard, so you don't miss someone walking along the side of your house. It has two-way audio, so you can talk to delivery people or scare off someone lurking near your shed. The built-in LED bulb is dimmable, so it doubles as functional lighting. Setup is fast, just connect to Wi-Fi through the app and you're live in under 5 minutes. Now, some people complained about the app being glitchy and occasional lag in the live feed. Here's the thing though, for basic monitoring and deterrence it works fine. But if you need instant, reliable alerts or plan to check footage frequently, the app issues might annoy you. This is perfect for you if you want an easy, affordable way to add security to a garage, porch, or backyard without wiring. Skip this one if you need rock-solid app performance or plan to use it in high-traffic areas. For under $40, it's a solid entry point. Product number 4, Energizer Smart 2K Camera. Now, if FOSCAM's app issues gave you pause, this next one brings more polish and smart home integration. The Energizer Smart 2K light bulb camera is around $100, but you get premium features like 355 degrees pan and 90 degrees tilt, auto tracking, and voice control with Alexa and Google Home. The 1000 lumen LED is bright enough to act as a security light, and you can dim it or change the color temperature. Dual-band Wi-Fi keeps the connection stable, and the two-way audio is clear enough to have a real conversation. You also get a 30-day cloud trial and local microSD storage, so you're not locked into subscriptions. Now, some people complained about the bulb being bulky and not fitting in enclosed fixtures. Here's the thing though, as long as you have an open socket with space to rotate, it works great. But if your fixture is tight or covered, the movement might be restricted. This is perfect for you if you want full remote control, smart home compatibility, and strong lighting. Skip this one if you have enclosed or narrow light fixtures. For the features, it's a strong value. Product number 5, Fate Electric Smart Bulb Camera. Finally, the Fate Electric Smart Rotating Light Bulb Camera. At $89, it's a clean, all-in-one design with 1080p video, 330 degrees rotation, and no monthly fees, something most brands charge extra for. The 1080p resolution is sharp enough to identify someone at your door, and the infrared night vision works well in total darkness. Two-way audio lets you respond to visitors, and motion alerts come through fast. Setup is as easy as screwing in a bulb and connecting to Wi-Fi. Now, some people complained about the app lacking advanced settings and no cloud storage beyond basic alerts. Here's the thing though, if you just want simple, reliable monitoring without subscriptions, this delivers. But if you want long-term cloud backups or detailed playback, you'll need local storage. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss, no-subscription camera with wide coverage. Skip this one if you need cloud recording or advanced analytics. For the price and simplicity, it's a standout. So which one should you get? If you want maximum power and don't mind wiring, go with the iGeek. Already have a blink? The Enkoifu mount solves power and placement. Want cheap and easy? FOSCAM gets the job done. Need full smart control? Energizer is the most feature-rich. And if you hate subscriptions, Fate Electric keeps it simple and clean. Each has trade-offs, but one of these will fit your setup. Just pick based on your real needs, not the flashy ads.